Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chengalpet.
For admissions, contact 9688 801 73730
Ha ka Sien ka Banyngkong ka Bahaar ka badai ka wei na kislem aji kai ha ka liang ka put katem ha ki sur bapher ka la pelong ya ka jing Rakhe ba kerpang ka balong ha banjio Sahitya Parishad Auditorium Jail Road Shillong ha ka jing kren bat ka Yu Chowdhury ka balong ka nong seng ya ka ni ka school aji kai bat ru kum ka no hikai klay tho ba ya ka ni ka school ka la seng nadu khatsan snem menchwa henry ka ni pat ka di ka Sien ka Banyngkong ba kan Rakhe ya ka ni ka Sngi ba kerpang jong ka ni ka school aji kai bat ka jing thumu jong ka ni ka school kalong ban aji kai ki khana ki ba kwa ban tep bat ban chempang halor ka put ka tem bat ha karwai ka siaw Hakini Sngi la sakilang da u Dr. Partha Sarathi Chowdhury ublalong kumukongsan lembat ki khana puli jong ni slem aji kai ki kimi ki pa bat ki wei ki bala sha khot sngoba.
This is my music school named as Bahaar. So this is the first annual function of my school Bahaar. This is actually basically the motto is the platform for my children to exhibit their talent. Today's program will be a program with mixed flavor of different songs of different genres, and my students are from various parts of Shillong, and basically I try to groom them with classical part and a different type of songs, and time to time my students keep performing in various parts of the city on different occasions. And so this is now today a program, I can say a big magnitude program. I always focus on that the student should get the proper training on the grammar part, and once the grammar is ready, any song, any student can sing any type of song. So that is my motto, that
Ladies and gentlemen, our chief guest deserves a bigger round of applause.
A versatile artist, distinguished tabla player and highly shikha, Shrimati Shashwati Nagir হাতেই সম্পন্ন হয়েছে। বিখ্যাত যোগ শিক্ষক এবং সমাজসেবী তিনি বাহারের পথ চলার ক্ষেত্রে শ্রীমতী উর্মিমালাকে বারবার
You all know that the word Bahaar literally means beauty, glory, elegance and to bloom. Hope it will bloom to its fullest extent with grace like a flower. Of it, the organization has opened a branch in Lawan near Kansas Race almost a year back to nurture the patience of the interest of students of this area. If someone is looking forward to learning musical instruments, singing particularly classical like Nozrul Giti, then music classes in Bahaar Musical School is one of the best options.